Hello, folks. Today I'd like to talk about air horn problems. Now, this section is most truck has 4 batteries right there, and top of it, the horn is hiding right there. Many times it's semi trucks and air horns. Sometimes not working. The possible causes right here. This is called air horn solenoid. Now this air horn solenoid, you can see that red and black 2 wires, and also has air connectors in here, and also I think that this main air connectors right there too. So when I got this part from Volvo dealer, I just checked that underneath the truck. That's the air horn solenoid part number right there. I couldn't locate it. I couldn't find it where their location. So I went to Volvo dealer. I asked them to print out. So they print out for me this location of air horn solenoid right there, A. They got among other things there. First part, that's A, right next to the air dryer. Okay, so they are hiding in that spot. So right next to the air dryer. The filter, that's air dryer filter right next to there, point A. So that's the horn solenoid is hiding there. Most people cannot find it because they are really hiding so good. So that's the location. You can change that. This part is $150. Could be less, more, depends on where you're gonna buy this one. So internet sells much cheaper. That's the air horn solenoid. My city horn works good, but also because this relate to you have an airbag inflection and deflection problem. They possible cause this too. They connected together, so and change that. And also any air is leaks in your air system. Sometimes that has a protection valve, air deflection, inflection of your truck. Sometimes now works good, right? So they all relate to each other. So when you have an airbag is a problem, you need to change that air horn solenoid. They are related to each other. So I'm changing today. So have a wonderful day. Be safe, folks. Save some money. Don't spend. When you change any parts, the service, you gotta check the location of go 2-3 places, compare the price because every have a different price. So, all right, folks. Good luck to me change this. I'm doing right now. All right, so long.